you follow exactly what I say today, I promise you're going to be profitable. This is what I do. This is my strategy. First of all, I just look for a recent demand zone or another block that was responsible for taking out a swing high or the swing low. So let's say I have like another block here that push price to break this high here, right? Of course, when price is retracing into this range here, they will always like to like induce people. So this is price will always like give induce people to maybe like the early buyers. Do you understand? So of which they will come back to take them out, which are like the early buyers, the profitable buyers. So they will come back and take them out before push it to the upside. So sometimes you might see price just takes out the two liquidity, the low and the high. So taking out the low, check, then go back and take the high. Sometimes you might just sit like this. Do you understand? So yeah. So that's my strategy. That's what I do. So now this is what exactly what I'm saying. We had a demand zone here. It's an inducement. Push price up. Price later came back, took them out before buying. And now you see how they left here immediately. That shows you they were inducing people to buy at this particular zone here. Do you understand? And when they came back, so it was just like they buy the dip. So they took them out and started buying immediately. So um that's like my strategy. That's what I do. I don't look for anything else except these particular patterns. Do you understand? No liquidity, no entry. So I don't want to be used as an inducement. Of course, most times like you might not be correct, but it doesn't matter. Consistently, just do what you see, and I promise you're going to be profitable. So currently, what am I looking at on BTC USD? We reacted of this bullish order block or a demand zone and started buying. So now what I'm looking at is this zone here to this side here because on this was just a stop rate. Do you understand? Because if you check online chart, I'm sure you're not gonna see that shit. So what I'm looking at is this range to this side. So obviously I'm just going to like the lower time frame because this is a 4 hours. So I'm looking at the market structure there. Now currently price is bullish because we have a low, high, low, high, low, high, blah blah blah. So this low is still very strong because this was the last low that broke this swing high, or I don't know if it's a swing high, but on the lower time frame is a swing high. So yeah. So now what I'm looking at, the last demand zone or the last bullish order block that broke a structure was this guy. Do you understand? So what I'm looking at is price to give me that same pattern. Oh yeah, then easy peasy. And that's exactly what I'll be looking at. When price gets to this zone, just look for like an evening star, or a morning star, I think so, yeah. Or go on lower time frame, maybe on 5 minutes, on 1 minute or 3 minutes. Still look for this same kind of pattern. When price is approaching your zone, just look for what is it called? The change of character, blah blah. Then give you this kind of pattern, then you're taking the buy. So yeah, wasted 4 minutes on BTC because I just wanted to show you my strategy. So on gold, remember I talked about gold last week. That price was reacting on my 62%, and still price is still currently at that zone. We just had um a huge consolidation even after the NFP. So currently, I am not saying anything on gold because I don't know the market trend because we are consolidating. Do you understand? So I don't want to force the market. You get? Although, if I although the rest are buying, so that's like another conference that is telling me that okay, gold is like giving me a reversal pattern that is going to buy very soon. I don't know. So I'm just looking at gold. Maybe take out this swing high, then maybe look for a displacement or a flip zone. Then yeah, taking the buy. So yeah, so that's it for gold. I'm not seeing anything currently right now. And on Nasondre, remember I talked about this guy here. But what happened? Price just did a retracement into this fair value gap. And now let's look at it. Into the 50% of the zone as consequent encroachment. So yeah, still good. So take note that most times price do not come to your demand zone. You might just use the fair value gap. Then if you're lucky, you'll be in the buy. So yeah, that's how price left the zone with the fair value gap. Same thing they did here again into this fair value gap, right? Or BC, whatever. So now this is a recent break of structure. Okay, this is a recent break of structure. They might still do what they were doing before. Do you understand? Just like retracing into this fair value gap, then push to the upside, or you wait for price to take out this low. That's like a 4 hour change of character before selling. But I still feel like price is going to be buying to the rest of the year. So that's team bullish for the rest of the year. Team bullish. So obviously, I'm not looking for buys on the stock market or crypto or metals. I'm very bullish, and I said that the DXY is going to be selling. So obviously, we're selling. So yeah, this is a 4 hours, and this volume imbalance that was filled reacted on this fair value gap, and yeah. So currently, we are in the downtrend now. Although price didn't close below this low with the body candle, but let's see what will happen next week. So obviously, for me, like I said, I'm team bullish, but that doesn't mean we key all my bias to sell sell on BXY and buy on the rest. No, whenever I see an opportunity, the goal is to make money, not to not to be correct. Nah, I just whatever the market. That's what they say. The market is your friend, and the trend. Sorry, the trend is your friend. So whatever the trend is giving, we just follow it. Like I don't have money to to be losing just to prove myself that I'm right. No, I want to make money at the end of the day. So yeah. So stay safe and stay blessed. Always apply proper management. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.